Many customers who shop with Amazon are looking for ways to help them buy from diverse, small, local, sustainable, and compliant businesses. Some companies who shop with Amazon Business have specific spending targets and use Amazon to buy from suppliers that are registered as small or diverse businesses. Business customers can also set buying policies to help them prioritize products from certified sellers. For example, buyers looking for woman-owned or small business suppliers can set up preferences in their accounts to filter and prioritize those products. Customers with buying policies spend millions on products sold by sellers with certifications every year. Customers may want to support entrepreneurs in their communities or align their purchases with their values. Certifications are attached to your business profile, which you can find in B2B Central within Seller Central. A complete business profile can help build trust with customers and show you're a credible, professional seller. A detailed profile helps buyers better understand your business, your values, and what makes you unique. Before adding certifications to your profile, understand the difference between credentials and certifications. Amazon automatically grants credentials to eligible sellers based on industry standards and trusted third-party data sources. You don't need to take any action to receive a credential. Certifications require action on your part. You must obtain recognition from government or third-party organizations and upload documentation to Seller Central. Certifications verify you meet specific standards for diversity, quality, or compliance. While both certifications and credentials can increase your visibility, many business customers specifically require certifications to meet their high standards. Amazon recognizes several certification types. Diversity certifications include minority-owned, women-owned, veteran-owned, and LGBT-owned businesses. Small business certifications include registered small business status. Federal certifications include Section 889 compliance, which shows your products meet government purchasing requirements. Quality certifications such as ISO 9001, which demonstrate that a seller's products meet specific quality standards that business buyers require. You can add certifications to your profile in two ways, through the certifications page or directly within your business profile. From the Certifications and Credentials page, you will be able to upload documentation for your certification under the Certifications tab. From your business profile, you can access the Certifications and Credentials page by clicking Manage Certifications. Whichever method you choose, you'll start by selecting your certification type. Next, select the specific certification you'd like to upload, complete any required fields, and upload any required certification documentation. If you're adding federal certification and you're already registered with SAM.gov, you can use your unique entity identifier, which can be found on your entity registration page within SAM.gov to make the process easier. You can also add this information to your business profile. After submitting your certification, the initial status will show as under review. The Amazon team will complete the review within 7 to 10 business days. If accepted, your certification will display as active. If there are any issues, your certification will be set to suspended, and you'll receive an email with next steps. Your uploaded certifications will then be viewable to Amazon customers. For more information or to view a full list of certifications, search for Certification in Seller Central and choose Certifications or the Add a Certification Help page.